Did you know that 87 out of 111 engine-related complaints filed with NHTSA for the 2017 to 2018 Honda CRV were specifically about gasoline leaking into the engine oil? That's a staggering 78% failure rate for what's supposed to be one of America's most reliable SUVs. I'm going to reveal the exact years you should avoid at all costs, plus the golden years that will serve you for decades. Stay with me until the end, because I'll share the one model year that Honda secretly bought back from owners due to catastrophic failures. Let's get started. The absolute worst Honda CRV years 2017 to 2018. The oil dilution nightmare. The 2017 and 2018 CRV models represent Honda's biggest engineering disaster in recent memory. These vehicles came with a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine that had one massive flaw: gasoline mixing directly with the engine oil. Here's how this catastrophe unfolds. In cold weather or during short trips, unburned fuel sticks to the cylinder walls and gets scraped into the crankcase, where it mixes with your engine oil. Your oil loses its lubricating properties and can actually rise above the full mark on your dipstick. I've seen owners report oil changes every 500 miles just to keep their engines from seizing. One owner in Minnesota had his dashboard light up like a Christmas tree while driving, forcing him to pull over immediately. Honda eventually bought his vehicle back under lemon law. The repair costs are astronomical. Complete fuel injector replacements cost $2,500, head gasket failures run $4,000, and complete engine replacement can hit $8,000. Consumer reports confirm this issue affects vehicles nationwide, not just in cold climates. 2015, the vibration machine. The 2015 CRV earned the dubious honor of being named Turd of the Week by Car Talk. Honda completely redesigned the CRV, introducing their Earth Dreams engine and the vehicle's first CVT transmission. The goal was better fuel economy, but they delivered vibration so severe that owners reported headaches and nausea. The 2015 model has more overall complaints than any other CRV year. The vibration is particularly noticeable when stopped at traffic lights with the vehicle in drive. It transfers through the steering wheel, seats, and headrests. One Massachusetts owner described it as holding onto a vibrating chair. Honda issued a 19-page technical service bulletin outlining multiple fixes, including software updates and new engine mounts. But many owners report the fixes only reduce the problem by about 50%. 2007 to 2009, the third-generation disaster. The third-generation CRV represents Honda's least reliable generation ever. These vehicles suffer from critical failures, including persistent airbag defects, electrical fires, and frame corrosion, leading to rear suspension collapse. The 2007 model is particularly problematic. Door lock actuators fail regularly, causing doors to trap passengers inside or refuse to unlock. I've personally experienced this where rear doors would relock within seconds, creating a safety hazard with children in the car. Electrical problems include window switch fires that literally melt the plastic housing. AC compressor failures contaminate the entire system, requiring full replacement at costs exceeding $2,500. Engine overheating due to failing radiator fans is common, sometimes causing heater core leaks that spill hot coolant into the passenger compartment. 2002 to 2003, the second-generation struggles. The early second-generation models carry forward many problems from the previous generation while adding new ones. The infamous Black Death. AC compressor failure is most common during these years, where the compressor fails catastrophically and sends metal shavings throughout the entire system. Repair costs typically run $1,600 or more. Airbag system failures are documented extensively, with some units failing to deploy in crashes while others deploy unexpectedly. Window switch fires continue to be a problem, and headlight defects create safety hazards during night driving. Engine overheating becomes more frequent due to failing thermostats and radiator fan assemblies. The combination of these issues makes the 2002 to 2003 models particularly expensive to maintain. The years to approach with caution. These model years aren't complete disasters, but they have enough documented issues to warrant careful inspection before purchase. 2011, mixed reliability. The 2011 CRV falls into a gray area. While it doesn't have the catastrophic failures of other problematic years, it does suffer from high oil consumption issues due to faulty piston rings. Some owners report using a quart of oil every 1,000 miles, which can lead to engine damage if not monitored closely. AC compressor clutch failures are also common, though not as severe as earlier generations. The good news is that most other systems remain reliable, making this a year you can consider if you find a well-maintained example at the right price. 2010, transition year problems. The 2010 model year represents the end of the third generation, carrying forward some reliability issues from the problematic 2007 to 2009 years. Rear differential fluid problems persist, and some owners report steering fluid leaks. However, the electrical gremlins that plagued earlier third-generation models are largely resolved. 2014, fourth-generation growing pains. While the fourth-generation CRV, 2012 to 2016, is generally reliable, the 2014 model year had some teething issues. Engine troubles are more frequently reported compared to other years in this generation, though they're nowhere near the severity of the 2017 to 2018 oil dilution problems. The golden years, best Honda CRV, models to buy now for the good news. These are the CRV years that will make you understand why Honda has such a strong reputation for reliability. 2019 to 2021. The sweet spot, the 2019, 2020, and 2021 model years represent the absolute peak of CRV reliability. Honda had worked out the oil dilution issues that plagued the 2017 to 2018 models, and these vehicles benefit from all the lessons learned. The 2019 CRV is particularly noteworthy. According to NHTSA data, complaint numbers dropped by more than 50% compared to earlier fifth-generation models. You get the refined 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with the bugs worked out, producing 190 horsepower and achieving up to 34 miles per gallon on the highway. The 2021 model is widely considered one of the best CRV years ever produced. CarComplaints.com lists very few overall issues, and Consumer Reports gives it high reliability ratings. The Honda Sensing Safety Suite comes standard, including forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. 2016, the fourth-generation crown jewel. The 2016 CRV represents the pinnacle of the fourth generation. Honda had refined the 2.4-liter naturally aspirated engine to its peak reliability, producing 185 horsepower with none of the turbocharger complexity that would cause problems later. J.D. Power awarded the 2016 CRV a reliability score of 83 out of 100, which is considered great. Consumer Reports rated it 69 out of 100, which might sound mediocre but is actually excellent for its class. 90% of owners on Cars.com gave it 5-star reviews. The 2016 model only has 3 recalls, all relatively minor: a possible faulty fuel pump, engine stalling, and airbag inflator ruptures that affected multiple manufacturers. Compare this to the 2017 model's extensive list of problems, and the 2016 becomes an obvious choice. 2006, the second-generation champion. For buyers seeking maximum value, the 2006 CRV represents one of the best reliability bargains available. This model year resolved most of the AC compressor problems that plagued earlier second-generation models while retaining the proven 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder engine, producing 156 horsepower. Despite being nearly 20 years old, well-maintained 2006 CRVs regularly exceed 200,000 miles without major issues. Parts are still readily available, and repair costs remain reasonable due to the simple, proven design. The main considerations are age-related issues like rust, worn suspension components, and potential timing belt replacement if not already done. But mechanically, these vehicles are bulletproof. 2013 fourth-generation reliability. The 2013 CRV successfully integrated new technological and safety features while maintaining excellent reliability. It represents the sweet spot of the fourth generation, with the initial bugs worked out, but before the problematic 2015 redesign. Owners consistently praise the 2013 model's smooth ride, comfortable interior, and trouble-free operation. The 2.4-liter engine and 5-speed automatic transmission combination proved extremely durable.